Disclaimer: before you take any healthy fruits and vegetables, be sure to ask your doctor, do your own research, get your doctor's permission, and then take it. This channel is for providing only information regarding fruits and vegetables. So your doctor knows the best what's your body is and what you need, what you don't, so you get your doctor's permission. And this channel is not responsible for any good thing or bad thing coming out of eating any fruits and vegetables. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a face mask, and I had some requests about face masks for clearing up the pimples. Now, before I start the video, let me give you a disclaimer. Always ask your doctor before you use anything new, because you don't know how it's going to affect you. And also see that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. So today's face mask ingredients are yogurt and turmeric and gram flour called chickpea flour, and all these three combinations are amazing for the skin, amazing for body inside and outside. So, but be sure you're not allergic to anything, so you test it on your hand, on your knee, elbow, see. So yogurt is really good for the face. It makes the face very spotless, and it nourishes the skin. So yogurt has calcium, as we all know, which is great for skin, hair, nails. And yogurt is actually an amazing moisturizer because it keeps the skin very soft, smooth, and shiny. Because when you use yogurt for the skin, be sure to get the whole milk yogurt, because we're getting non-fat plain yogurt, whole milk yogurt, because we want that for eating non-fat. But when we want to put it on the skin, we're going to use whole milk, like with the fat, because that's good for the skin. And then it prevents that way the dryness and keep the skin really shiny and smooth. And yogurt has a lot of B vitamins, so yogurt is like a lotion. So and keeps the skin clear. So remember, for eating we do non-fat, low fat, whatever. But for putting on the skin, we're getting whole milk yogurt, and which is plain yogurt, unsweetened. Now we add 1 teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever you can add, with the chickpea flour called gram flour called besan. You get that 1 tablespoon or teaspoon equal to your yogurt amount. Now this chickpea flour has magnesium, which is great for the skin, which reduces fine line and wrinkles. Also keeps the skin very tight and beautiful and smooth, and actually it does exfoliate the skin, so skin becomes very smooth and like really good to touch, very soft. So yogurt balances out the fatty acids and increases the skin elasticity, and it gets rid of wrinkles and fine line and smooth out the face. Looks really nice. So, and prevents premature aging of the skin and tightens the skin. And turmeric, as we all know, the best thing in the earth for the skin is turmeric. It's great for acne. So putting turmeric, but you can't just put turmeric. You cannot just use little bit water and put turmeric directly on your skin, because it's going to stain. So you need to take like half a teaspoon turmeric or powder, or you take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon your chickpea flour. You can cut out the turmeric to half a teaspoon if you don't want so much of your color. Either way, I've been using all my life turmeric. So turmeric is really, really good. And just you mix it up and then you put it in your face and then just keep it 30 minutes, face and neck, keep it 30 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. And after that, as a moisturizer, use the aloe vera gel, pure aloe vera gel. Just take it out from a leaf, aloe vera leaf, and then put it in your face. And you don't need to wash that, it stays like that as a moisturizer. So turmeric is great for acne, clearing up acne, lightens the hyperpigmentation. So face becomes really clean, beautiful, and amazing looking. It just dilutes the dark and dull skin, like you go sunburn skin, reduces dark circles, protects from sunburn, and protects against the environmental damaging things, and prevents premature aging, and it helps with like itchy, rashes, eczema, psoriasis, things like that. And so turmeric is the best thing in this universe for inside and outside. So here we're mixing turmeric, yogurt, and gram flour, and turmeric is the half, and yogurt and gram flour the same amount. And then you just mix it and make it fresh, make it, put it on your face and neck, and be sure to get your doctor's advice in case you're allergic to something. Other than that, is people been using this for thousands of years, and it's a Ayurvedic face mask for most beautiful skin, and we use on the brides for 3-4 months before marriage, and the brides have so beautiful skin. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more creations. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Enjoy. Bye bye.